How to remove Instagram tagged photo from profile. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the these three horizontal lines in the top right corner. You have to firstly go to your profile and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the settings. When you click on the settings, you have to click on the privacy, and when you click on the privacy you come to this page, and here you can see the interaction tab. In the interaction tab you can see the posts. You have to click on the posts. When you click on the post, in the most bottom of this page you can see the tagged post. In the tagged post tab you can see the manually approved tags. You have to click on this. When you click on this, here you can see uh, all your tagged photos, and there is no one in my case, but you can simply remove your Instagram tag photo by clicking on the uh, edit button in the third, in the remove, in the right corner. In the right corner you can see the remove edit button, and when you click on the edit button, there is, you can choose all the your post, and then you can click on the remove, and all the uh, tagged photos is removed. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.